Hey guys, I am back. All right, so I took a little lunch break, because I was hungry. Okay, hungry. I'm always hungry, but that's not the point. I know I said that I was gonna show you guys how to do the labels, on the software for Avery. But guess what? Wait. First, do you want to hear the good news or you want to hear the bad news? Because I got both. I'm gonna give you the good news first. So I got my labels in the mail. Yes, it's a good thing for me. You know what I'm saying? Not so good for you guys, because this video I'm not gonna do the labels. I'm gonna do an in-depth one with Avery.com, online labels, and Vistaprint. I'm gonna show you in depth on how to do it like that. So it's kind of good because I can go more in depth with a whole full video just on showing you how to design labels and how to print them. I got my labels. Bad news is I did not get my glass jars that were supposed to come Friday. Listen, with these businesses, any and everything can go wrong. You just gotta dust yourself off and continue and go to plan B. Basically what I'm going to do now is just label the items that I do have and send out those orders that are complete. Arm's getting tired. Woo. Stay tuned, I'm coming right back. Hopefully it's getting my head, I'm tall or whatever. So I'm gonna just show you guys how I'm placing the labels on. I have a bunch of stuff. Oh, they're heavy. I have a bunch of salt scrubs, which are Himalayan pink salt scrubs, and then I have the whipped creams and the body butter. So it's always good to like label, because it just takes out a lot of time to sit there and do it, and when you gotta rush, it's no fun. So I like to just do it ahead of time and stick them on. Pull it off here. Be careful because it could rip. It has ripped. So it comes like this. Like I said, remember, you put the middle down first, then you paste down the sides, because if you do mess up, then it's easy for you to peel it up. So that's how I do it. My Cocoa Shea aloe butter, which I love, and it's so good because those with sensitive skin, those with eczema, those with extremely dry skin can definitely use this with no problem, because it doesn't have fragrance. It's naturally fragrant from the cocoa butter, so you should check it out. This one is I believe the citrus and sage. Woo, that smells so good. Smells so good. It's like candy. So good. So this one is vanilla and lavender. Aromatherapy. This one is one of my favorites too, because this puts me to sleep, right to bed. Citrus and sage Himalayan body scrub. You got to get all fancy with it. But yeah, the scrubs are like my favorite because I love to do body scrub. You just put it on like that and that's it. So like I said, remember to use your alcohol. I already did that with this. Remember to use your alcohol to wipe off your jars, because the oil will not help let the label stick on. It will actually slide it off, and then it's just like, it's very frustrating. So after you package or put the product into the containers or jars, make sure you wipe it off or sanitize it again, and you use your alcohol to strip away the oils. This one is the aromatherapy. Wow, I closed them tight. Ooh. This one smells like you're in like a spa, like a nice spa with the music playing. This is exactly what it reminds me of. This is how it looks. You see it? I'm gonna go ahead and finish up, speed up this part because I know it's a lot and it could get boring, so catch you guys.
Hours later.
Good morning with my turmeric hot chocolate, and I'm gonna start my day. I'm gonna finish up on printing out the invoices and printing out the shipping labels, packing them out and placing them into the packages. So I'm just gonna have them there ready to drop them off tomorrow because my customers have been waiting. And if you're watching, I do apologize. You know, there's been some hiccups in the road. I got 2 packages here, 2 emergency packages. This is why I love Amazon Prime. They're always there and ready for you. So I got 2 emergency packages. I'm going to open those up and show you guys and then continue with my day. Okay? So come along with me.
Testing, testing. Am I in the frame? Am I in the frame? Can you see?
I'm super tired. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm very tired. But I want to help you guys out, so I will be, you know, doing this vlog. You guys might see me in the shirt a lot because this is one of my favorite in the house shirt, as my family would say it. One of my favorite yard shirt. And it says pretty black and educated. Hopefully you guys can see. Pretty black and educated, and that I am. So this was super cute. I seen this at Rainbows and I picked it up and I was like, ooh, yes, Rainbow. So we are going to open, usually I don't like the packages on the table, but I'm gonna clean out the table. My emergency delivery. Let's see. No, sis, it's not gonna work. All right. So open this up. I guess I love getting packages, even though I know I'm the one who ordered it. My damn microwave. It's just fun getting packages. As you get older, you don't get presents like that anymore. So, geez, really? So this one is my rosehip oil. I love rosehip. It's like amazing for your skin. These are my glasses for sure. So only 2 items that I actually did order. I get packages like every day. Amazon is just like the best. Like, I wish I thought of this. Shoot. Oh, I did order the labels too. So I have these labels as well. I'm gonna take out the other ones to Staples, but I have the gold labels from Avery. Avery is pretty dope. Their gold foil labels don't really smudge like online labels, even though online labels say it is for, you have to choose which one you want it for. So either for an inkjet or a DeskJet, and I have a DeskJet. So if you get an inkjet paper for a DeskJet, it's not gonna come out good. It's gonna smudge all over the place. So you have to be specific. But I'm gonna teach you guys that in the next video when I talk about creating the labels and the softwares and printing them and paper and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna let you guys know about that one. But I got my labels for my facial hydration oil, and what else? I use it for the hair and beard pomade, and something else. I don't remember. So I got my 8-ounce clear glass bottles with a pump from Amazon. I needed these because my other ones, I don't know when they're supposed to come. Now I looked on FedEx and it says no delivery time now. Before it did say a delivery time. So I got these. Usually I'm not using black pumps, but this had to do. So I'm gonna just pour in my Milk and Honey cleanser, the charcoal cleanser. A lot of people ordered the Romance Blend body oil, so I'm gonna get these out and going. All right, so that's that. I did 2 of these. I might have to order more, to be honest. And then I have the aloe vera gel that I put in, and I'm just telling you this because all the ingredients is there. So I have aloe vera gel that I put in my products as well. So that is it. It's finished. So now I'm gonna get started on printing out my other invoices, laying them on the table as you see me do yesterday, and then just get this started and finish with. If you can see, there's some packages that's over there that's already done, so I put them out, put them in the bags, write the name on the packages because I didn't put the labels on yet, and place them on over there on the floor. So then after, I'll just get the shipping labels and put them on the correct name. All right, I'm gonna switch now to showing you guys me just like working. All right, enough talking. You guys can hear me. Just watching Aaliyah J and her boyfriend's vlog. So it's tired of music, but here's the setup for the product. So right now I'm just like making the boxes because they come like this. So I'm opening them up and just making the boxes and then placing them on the invoices, so that I can just get the tissue paper, place the items inside the box, and then close them up and then put them in the mailers. So I write the names on them so I know which one, because it can get confusing because I would put the invoices inside there. So gonna video me just like doing the boxes. You know, I done prepared these orders already, stacked them all out. Right now they're empty and the orders are on the side, so I'm going to put them inside and then put the tissue paper and everything else. I have my little samples here. This is the body scrub. If they ordered oils and stuff like that, anything for the body, if they ordered, I'm going to put a scrub in there. And anything for like the face, like this person did a bunch of the cleansers, I'm going to put a brighten facial mask in there. So I have a little system set up. You guys stay tuned. So I'm going to do the rest of these and get back to you guys, okay? I'm actually exhausted and tired, so I think I am gonna call it a night. I might do a few more that is left on the table, but I do have a whole nother batch that I have to do. So I have some more here, and then these are the labels. So I've written the names on there. Like I said before, my hair looks crazy, I look crazy, I'm tired, and I have to get up early in the morning, about 5:45. So it can get draining, but this is just a part of the process. So I'm claiming it and I'm not complaining, but I do need rest. So I'm gonna do a couple of more, like I said, and then I'm gonna do the rest in the morning. So I'm gonna cut the vlog here and just, like, you know, prepare and get ready for bed. Oh my god, I'm so tired. So currently it is 2:52 a.m. in the morning and I'm still up. What time is it? Clock doesn't even work. I've never put batteries in this since the time that I moved up here, and I believe that was about 4 years ago. Wait, you know I'm tired. Okay, no, for real. I'm gone. Bye, guys. So I'm almost finished. Hey guys, it's me, Moya Loves. So I'm here. I have prepared these packages that are behind me. I do have some more on the table, but I have these packages here that I need to drop off at the post office. It's currently about 4 o'clock. The post office that I'm going to closes at 5. I don't live too far from the post office, so that's fine. So I'm gonna just place the fragile stickers on these packages that I have here and then head out. So I just want you guys to see and then come with me, okay? So I can bring them to the post office. I only have a half an hour left before they close. I'm trying to rush. I have my sister recording. You want to say hi? Not even a voice. She's camera shy. I need to hurry up. I need to make it. I need to make it. You guys don't go. Double park. I don't have time. 3 bags. I'm gonna try to record this. I don't think I can record, guys. see you guys in there. You want me to put them all in here? Sorry? Yeah. All the order packages. I'm so happy. Got these all out. Made it in 5 minutes before it closed. So I am happy. Oh, look this way. I am happy. I just dropped off all my packages. Yes. Oh my gosh. I am so relieved. Just dropped it off and it's actually 5:03 right now, so I made it within 5 minutes of them about to close. The lady behind there was just like looking at me like, and I like that. I have to say that I really like that feeling of having all these bags. I had 3 trash bags full because she was just ready to say, are those labeled? Because the other lady was like, are you waiting for something? I'm like, yeah, I'm waiting to drop off. Do you have prepaid labels? Yes, ma'am, I sure do, and I'm prepared. So I really couldn't record too much because it is a federal building, so you really can't record in federal buildings. So I didn't want to get in trouble now, so because I had to drop those packages off. So really couldn't record, but I recorded as much as I could. But I am finished. I do have other packages that I need to finish up, but these were like the first and second batches that I needed to get out. So I'm just super excited about that. So this is gonna be the end of this vlog. Thank you guys for, you know, joining me on my day. Remember to subscribe, comment, like. Let me know what you like, let me know what you dislike, and I'll definitely, you know, make more videos like this because I definitely want to help you guys. So I appreciate you guys watching. Till next time.